Hi, I'm Scott.
I'm Sherry from Florida, Michigan.
And on behalf of all the Michigan-based Rudies, we want to thank Brian for coming to Michigan.
You're watching Brian Christopher Slots.
Line it up! Woo!
Alright, luck is continuing. Let's do it. Started with $100 in, so we're doing okay. Get those re-triggers now. Come on. Come on. Yes. Nice. Eagles turning to Buffalo already. Not bad. Keep going. Alright. Queens, give me another 3. Times 6. Alright. Yes. Oh my gosh. Nothing lines up. Darn it. Alright, we got 5 more spins. 10 spins to go. Oh my gosh, 2 more and they don't line up again. Oh my gosh, 2 more, they don't line up again. That's 3 in a row. Do it. Eight more spins to go. Yes, yes, yes. We also got our last Cougars, so they're all turning into Buffaloes now. $20 Buffalo hit. Yes, multiplier, multiplier, multiplier. Holy shoot! $48. Yes. Alright, we need more coins. You need to re-trigger. We got 8 gold Buffalo out of 15. Alright, $89. More, more, more! Oh my gosh! All the way across with a multiplier. Times 3. This is even bigger than the last one. $18 times 3. $54, I think that is. Plus we got a couple of gold Buffalo. We're at 10 now. Oh baby. 4 more spins. We need some coins, you guys. Let's get those coins. Keep going, keep going. Oh my god! Ah, give me a 3. Alright. $16 times 4. Jeez Louise. Another $60. Keep on going. We're at 208. Oh my gosh. Keep going. Yes. Oh man. Yes, 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 yes. Times 3 for Kings and Buffalo. So we got 7 more spins. We need 5 more gold Buffalo, guys. Come on. There's one. Two more gold Buffalo and gold turn into Buffalo as well. Keep it going. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Another $20. 5 more spins. Come on, coins. Come on, gold Buffalo. 1 coin. Yes. This is good. We got 8 more spins. Only 4 more gold Buffaloes out there, you guys. Yes. Times 3 for Buffalo. Another $24. Keep those coins coming. Oh my gosh, amazing. $6. Coin me, coin me, coin me. Couple dollars for elk. We're at 285. Kings, oh my gosh. Kings and jacks. Let's throw a 3 into the mix, just for fun. Alright, fine. That's pretty nice though. That's $30 plus another 12. That's pretty good. 40 bucks more. We got 3 more spins. We need some more coins. Two more spins. Come on, coins. Come and save us. Coins. Do it. Oh. Beautiful bonus. $327. We started with $100 in this machine, and we're up to $491. Wonder 4. It's all 40. I got the bonus on Bewitched. 4x is my multiplier. Let's hopefully get a fun bonus and not a dollar amount. Yes. Progressive layup. Beautiful. So we're gonna win one of those multiplied by 4. So the lowest amount is $36. Gotta find the pink ones for the big one. There's a pink and a green. Don't want those green though. Alright. I can deal with that. As long as it's not green, then we're good. Perfect. Alright, 3 more pinks, please. That is not pink. Over here. Okay, another pink, another yellow. Wow. 2 more pinks, 2 more yellows, 2 more greens, 4 purple. Another pink. Bradley, we need 1 more pink. Ooh, nice hit. Holy jeez, Brad just got a $72 line hit. That's a lot better than I'm going to do right now, probably. Unless we get a pink. Come on, pink. Oh, no. Well, we need one more green, unfortunately. Hopefully we can find that pink one. Yellow. Still in the game. 1 pink, 1 green, 1 yellow. Pink. We got the yellow and the green. Oh, hello. That's amazing. Double win, she said. All right. I actually did better than you. Better than 14. Okay. That was pretty cool. Beautiful. Well, that was worth it, eh, Brian? We pulled it out. Nice. Just triggered the bonus for 4 bonus symbols. Max bet 880, starting with $88. I just made a promise to myself if I got the bonus, I was going to do mystery, which I never do. Let's hope, guys. We want to see biggest amount of games, most amount of ways. Give me 15. Not the smallest. Uh-oh. So the best we can hope for is 15. We got it, thank goodness. Alright, good. Shoot. Alright, good start, 20 bucks. 15 free games. Shoot, that was stressful. 2 drums needed to re-trigger. You have to grab the first 2 reels. Line it up. 1/3 of the way through. All the way across. Did it. Yes. $120 line hit. Now we're talking. 6 spins through, 9 more to go. Luckily the mystery worked out. Barely. Keep going. I love that retrigger. If you get a retrigger, it gives you 3 extra spins. All the way. $12. 7 spins to go. coins, another $15. We need a big old hit, you guys. We haven't got a retrigger yet. We got 5 more spins, 1/3 left. Nothing. Some coins. $10. That pot has not closed for me once. I started with a ticket for about $130. 2 more. Oh dear, last chance retrigger. Just a couple coins for $1.50. 276 bonus. Alrighty, tidy. More than 30 times our best. That's alright, I guess. 276. I'll do a backup spin. Nice. Another $35 or so. Alright, let's do it. Backup to the backup. Here goes. Another $5. Alright, we're cashing out. $370. Nice profit on Dance and Drop. Bonus on Lightning Cash. Here we go. 10-cent denomination. Yes. Oh my god, miner's $500. Keep it going, baby. Give me more of those. I'll take a little mini for 100 or a major for 8,700. One more spin. Do it. Yes, $5. Well, that saves us. We got 3 more spins. Oh boy. Do it. Oh man, last spin. Find something else. Yes, $10. $5 more. 3 more spins again. Come on, baby. Ooh, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. And last spin one more time. Yes, $5 more. Oh my gosh, this is painful. All right, keep it going. Give me that major. Oh, last spin. All right, finally, we're done with that. Thank goodness we got that big old miner. Delicious. All right, $5.75. I put a ticket for $3.70 in here, so that definitely helps. Brings me up to $7.61. Backup spin. And cashing out at $7.56.
Exquisite.